Shembekar, sub-editor at EM and A&D India, and welcome back to Morning Bytes. This podcast is presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility. This week's headlines will focus on the business and industrial updates from India and across the globe so that you can kickstart your week. In today's episode, we will talk about Toyota Kirloskar Motor expands presence with 400 customer touchpoints. Volvo India targets 50% non-fossil fuel vehicles by 2030. Siemens AG plans to acquire an 18% stake from Siemens Energy at a 15% discount in an Indian joint venture. And the Raymond Group acquires majority stake in MPPL for Rs 682 crores. Before we start, we are pleased to present Dr. Anil Lamba, Chartered Accountant, Financial Literacy Activist, and author of the best-selling book, Romancing the Balance Sheet.
When managements of corporations announce we are a debt-free company, I have never understood whether they are boasting or apologizing.
In our first update today, Toyota Kirloskar Motor (TKM) has achieved a significant milestone by surpassing 400 customer touchpoints in India, focusing on emerging markets. The strategic expansion reflects TKM's commitment to providing top-notch products and services across the country. The inauguration of the 401st outlet in Bellary, Karnataka emphasizes the brand's dedication to quality, durability, and reliability. Siemens AG has announced its intention to purchase an 18% stake in the Indian joint venture Siemens Limited from Siemens Energy for 2.1 billion euros, reflecting a 15% discount on the average price. The move is in line with Siemens AG's strategy, as confirmed in a statement, and aligns with its previously reported efforts to secure a discount in the transition. Siemens AG has announced its intention to purchase an 18% stake in the Indian joint venture Siemens Limited from Siemens Energy for 2.1 billion euros, reflecting a 15% discount to the average price. The move is in line with Siemens AG's strategy, as confirmed in a statement, and aligns with its previously reported efforts to secure a discount in the transaction. The purchase price is based on a customary 15% discount on the volume-weighted average price in the 5 trading days before the signing of the deal. Before we go ahead, let's talk about QVI, a world-leading manufacturer of precision multi-sensor metrology systems for industrial quality control.
50,000 passenger flights each day depend on reliable jet engine power, something millions of passengers take for granted. Behind that reliability is some of the world's most advanced manufacturing technology. Measurement systems from QVI are part of it. The precision QVI brings to aerospace component manufacturers helps make air transportation more routine. From ensuring that thousands of parts in a jet engine deliver power when it's needed, to making sure your seatbelt stays latched for takeoff. Plastic bottles help keep us going when we're on the run. And when we put the cap back on our water bottle, we know it won't spill. When it comes to thermomolded plastics, manufacturers rely on QVI precision for fast, accurate dimensional control of their molding process. For mold makers, that precision means fast, accurate thread and seal surface measurements. For the rest of us, precision means longer shelf life and fewer spills from bottled drinks. Safety, reliability, and fuel economy are factors we take for granted every time we drive, yet all depend on thousands of close-tolerance parts assembled perfectly. Automotive manufacturers rely on precision measurements at dozens of points in the making of every part, from cylinder heads to drive shafts to anti-lock brakes. More often than not, they turn to QVI for flexible measuring systems that perform day in and day out, right on the shop floor. Just a few years ago, prosthetic joints were largely a dream. Today, they're a common way to renew mobility and extend active lives. When it comes to surgical implants and drug delivery systems, precision is everything. QVI's advanced multi-sensor technologies allow medical device manufacturers to measure critical dimensions more reliably than ever before. From a syringe that delivers the correct dose to a knee implant with a perfect fit. Precision improves the quality of care and life for patients every day. Smartphones and tablets are essential tools for staying connected, in business and for life. Sleek and durable designs let us take our devices with us anywhere. Portable devices are incredibly complex to build. QVI measurement systems deliver the precision needed to fabricate circuits, etch hard disk heads, and fit touchscreen panels to the coolest phone cases. At the end of the day, QVI systems help make wireless mobile devices work on the go. Every great story has a beginning. Ours starts with people, the people who bring our precision to life, and the people whose lives are improved because of it. With more than 400 dedicated employees offering local support to manufacturers in more than 75 countries, QVI and our partners deliver precision across the entire spectrum of industry, from global manufacturers to local job shops. Precision for people is more than something we say. It's what we stand for.
Volvo India aims to have half of its vehicles powered by non-fossil fuels by 2030, according to Kamal Bali, Volvo Group President and Managing Director, India. Speaking at the Digital Acceleration and Transformation Expo, Bali, he outlined the company's goal to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2040. He emphasized the environmental impact of the transport industry, accounting for 20% of global greenhouse gas emissions, and highlighted Volvo's commitment to sustainability, including a pledge for 35% of leadership and other employees to be women. The Raymond Group has purchased a 59.25% stake in Maini Precision Products Limited for 682 crores, funded through a combination of debt and internal accruals. This strategic move aims to bolster Raymond's engineering business, especially in sectors like aerospace, electric vehicles, and defense. The acquisition will be completed through Ring Plus Aqua Limited (RPAL), a subsidiary of JK Files and Engineering. The consolidated business, focusing on precision engineering products, is expected to have a pro forma consolidated revenue of Rs 1600 crore with an EBITDA of approximately Rs 220 crore as of financial year 23. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment, where innovation and technology are constantly emerging, it is essential for industries and businesses to remain up to date and adapt to the evolving landscape. Our objective is to assist you in staying ahead of the curve by providing you with the latest developments and trends. Join our community to remain informed and keep pace with the changes unfolding in your industry.